How to activate Sainsbury's credit card online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Health Tech. In this video, I will simply guide you on how you can activate your Sainsbury's credit card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have your Sainsbury's bank credit card and that you want to activate it, first of all you have to come to the official website, which is sainsburysbank.co.uk. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Then once you come to the website, you will land on this page where you have to click on the login and register button from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click on login and register, at the very first you'll find the option called cards, loans and savings. So all you need to do is just go to the option called login, which is right over here. Before you try to activate your Sainsbury's bank's credit card, you first need to log into your online banking credentials. So make sure to simply enter your username first of all. And if you in case forgot your username, you can just click the option called forgot your username and then reset your username as well. Or if you forgot your login details, such as let's say your mobile number, PIN or 3-time passcode, you can select forgot all your login details and then try to reset and recover your login details in that way. Then if you want the browser to remember you, you can just check the option called remember me, and if you scroll down you have the mobile number settings where you simply need to enter the last 3 digits of your mobile number, as they may need to send you a one-time passcode. So this is done in order to log into your account. Then once you've done that, all you need to do is click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, it will take you to a page where you can automatically activate your credit card. So there you have to click on the activate button, follow the on-screen prompts such as entering the card pin as well as the CVC or the CVV number and the 4-digit pin of your card. Then you will be able to successfully activate once you've received your credit card. That is it for this video on how you can activate your Sainsbury's credit card online. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.